nature, nothing is perfect, and everything is perfect. Take the trees, for example. They're bent in all sorts of weird ways, and branches stick out in multiple places, yet they're still so beautiful. I'm on another little walk today, 5 minutes between sessions, and I've come to a different place. I'm going to try and flip you around somehow. There we go. So I'm at a place called Penalta, and it's built on the old colliery. What you're seeing in front of you is actually a large earthworks sculpture of Sultan, the pit pony. And from above, it's incredible. I'll try and drop a picture at the end of this video. It's just another chilled walk, taking 5 minutes to myself, which apparently I don't do enough of. I enjoyed yesterday, I'm doing it again today. I think we need to appreciate nature a lot more than we do, and I'm sure most of you do, but I think sometimes we take for granted what's actually on our doorstep. How's your Wednesday going? You having a good day? There's something new up here I haven't seen before. It's been a while since I've been here. It's only 10 minutes from where I live. I don't know if you're going for some kind of Stonehenge vibe, but let's see if I can see some information on this now. Park Penalta Bouldering Rocks. Okay. Okay, so it's bouldering is a sport, isn't it? Oh well. Not what I thought then. Stonehenge, never mind. It's definitely interesting to see though, something new. Back to what I was saying at the start of this video. You know, nature isn't perfect, and it is perfect, and I think we need to remember that we as humans are part of nature. We're not perfect, but we are also perfect. What is perfect? I don't know what perfect is. Have a great Wednesday, everyone.